Well, man, I think I'm going to take tip number 5 after talking about all this stuff. So I'm going to need you to get out of the golf cart.
All right.
Because for tip number 5, I'm headed south for the winter.
Huh? Wait, I'm going with him. Is that Derek? Well, hey, Derek.
Oh, hey, Billy, what's going
How
on?
was your trip?
Man, it was good. It was good.
Where's the golf cart at?
Listen, all I'm going to say is I lost a tire south of Dallas, and I'd prefer to not tell Bob.
We'll leave it at that then.
All right. But it did give me a lot of time to think about what we do for 2021.
Oh, yeah? What kind of ideas you got?
Man, I think that we do more camping. I think we do more cooking. I think that we do more how-tos. So I'm excited for 2021.
Absolutely.
I think we just hit the ground running and take off.
Well, let's get after it.
All right, guys. Well, hey, come check us out for 2021 because we've got a lot of great stuff coming at you.
I bet you'll get the blues when you turn on the TV, 'cause the world's entertainment.